Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your mouse DPI on Windows 10 or 11. So first up, what you need to do is to disable your mouse acceleration. So to do this, just search for mouse settings right over here. And then look for the additional mouse options. Then from here, we're just going to select pointer options and we're going to make sure that enhanced pointer precision is toggled off. So we're just going to click on this and then click apply. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and close this and open our browser to open a specific website called DPI Analyzer. So right here, just search for DPI Analyzer and it should be this website called mouse-sensitivity.com. Now we're just going to go ahead and open this and scroll down. As you can see, there is this ruler section right over here. Now we're going to use the target distance as 1. We're going to set this so that we can measure the DPI of our mouse. Now make sure to have a ruler ready on your desk and then just place your mouse right below the ruler so that it will go on a straight path on your desk. And what you're going to do here is click on this part and you're going to move exactly 1 inch from this section to the ruler that you're using on your desk. So when you do that, it's going to look something like this and it's going to measure your actual DPI. As you can see, just make sure you're using an actual ruler and you move the mouse exactly 1 inch away from the ruler or from the starting point of the ruler. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.